Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back guys to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you and demonstrate you and explain you how I made over 8,000 euro from one single trade from last week. So guys, it's gonna be amazing, so let's get to it guys. So guys, the trade I was talking about is this Nasdaq 100 trade that we made last week. And as you can see guys, this trade is actually running guys in front of your eyes, and I'm going to close it and take my profit any second because price is going down. Price is going down, and it's already reaching its really strong support. So this is the support line, this is the support line, and it's the price is not going to break it anytime soon. So now what I should do is I should close it, so close it right here. I should have done it before the video, but I just wanted to show you guys, all live and open. Here we go. So there's the trade. I should have let me know guys, but I closed it in front of the camera for you guys, because I haven't seen any other channel on YouTube that not only explains people how to become independent and successful online traders from home, that not only explain you the best strategies that works for them. I never seen anybody closing live trades on front of the camera like I did right now guys. So this was one of the biggest trades guys, one of the biggest trades since about a couple of weeks now. So let's discuss it guys. So I should have closed it a little bit before, I should have closed it around this area right here. Yeah, around this area. But I just saw solid drop, and I knew that the price, the price, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Okay, there was this support. Okay, but this support could be most likely broken because there was news release. There was news release, and also there is going to be next news release really soon. So but we can take a look at now at the full chart. Okay, so this is the chart from a broker. So as you can see, I took this trade on the 30th of January at 20 to 4 at price of 6,715.38, and the closing price was now 5th of February 21 past 5 at price of 7,003. As you can see, the price now is below my closing price, so I did a good thing that I closed it. I should have closed it before, but I was away, busy, and I didn't place my take profit level because I just really placed this trade, for longer term. So and that's why you can see that I closed this trade in 5 days, guys. So 31. So yeah, so 5-6 days, guys. This trade was running, but in 5-6 days, this trade, only one single trade, okay, quality over quantity, generated me over 8,000 euro. So 8,377 euro and 43 cents. If I closed this before video when I was away, I could have made around 8,500 euro profit. I'm still happy guys, I'm not really greedy regarding every single my pip. That's not how day trading works. You need to make sure that your trading system is profitable and solid in long term, but you never be too greedy regarding every single pip. Because we are not gambling here. This is not gambling. This is day trading. We are pattern traders and day traders. And we use our trading system strategies. Which we can talk now in a second. So how did I made 8,000 euro? I'm really happy, guys. You can see I'm really happy because this is a lot of money for one trade. And I was still thinking about should I close it in front of the camera or not, but I did. So yeah, now the price is 7,000 and then it's going down, as you can see. So yeah, so let's take a look at the picture. So why did we make this trade? So this trade, was also, if you're a member of Income Mentor Box, then you should have seen this trade on the 30th of January. But why did we take this trade at this level? So let's take a look at it, guys. Okay, so 30th of January, 20 to 4. And for these guys, this the same setup was used for last week. So it's the same chart, okay? So we used two exponential moving average lines, red and blue. This is black, I know, but it's red and blue line. If you didn't see my strategy video about this really strong strategy, please watch my previous video where I explained you this really powerful strategy. two exponential moving average lines. The red one, which is 180, the blue one, which is 365. Okay, this one, the blue one is 365 and the red one is 180 because there are 365 days a year. That's thing number one. And the Bollinger Bands. And our strategy is simple, okay? So if the red line is above blue line, it means that the market is experiencing upward movement. If the blue line is above the red line, then the price is going down. And so let's take a look at it, okay? So you're gonna see full picture. So there it is. So 30th of January, yeah, so here we go, 30th of January, right here. So it's me 40. So this area, oh yes, there was this support. So this was the level right here. Okay, we entered it at this level right here. Let me just take a look at that price again. So we entered this trade at 6,715.38. So 6,715. Let's go back. So 6,715 was. 6,715 was exactly this area, 6,715. Yeah, so it was this area right here. This area right here. And as you can see, yeah, this area right here. And we made this trade, but we didn't plan. You know, we didn't plan. This trade was made by me and my colleague Vlad. You know, we post signals on our Facebook group. You know, you're welcome to join us, by the way. You know, to become a member of my training academy. You know, click on the link below the video. So we expected to close this trade actually like in 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I saw this really strong trading opportunity. Okay, there was a news release, and you know, and there was solid, you know, solid signs that the Nasdaq 100 will experience bull run for at least for an hour or two. But realistically, I was looking at 1 hour and 30 minutes to close this trade. But we didn't, you know, because after that, guys, okay, after that, we just saw that the price was completely, you know, it just climbed up, you know, it climbed up. But take a look at it, guys, okay, climbed up, and look at the look at this gap, okay. This was for on market open. You're wondering what are these gaps? We see a gap here, we see a huge gap here, and we also see an empty gap here. This usually happens on market open, okay. But as you can see, the price went up, and there was no solid signs when the price will, you know, when the price will go down. There's absolutely no solid signs. We saw, look at this area, guys, right here. We saw that the Nasdaq 100, this index right here, it hit. You know, we saw, you know, that it was going to touch our resistance, which was right here. But what happened was, as I told you before, how do we identify when resistance is broken? When new candle opens and closes above our resistance. And this is exactly what happened here. You see this green candle right here. It opened and closed, you know, it opened and closed above our resistance, which was a clear sign that the price most likely will go up. But as we can see, the price consolidated here, and then boom, it continued to go up after a while. And after I saw this, you know, I just let it go. I let it go, you know. I didn't set my take profit level. I just let it go, you know, and I let it go for several days. That's something I am not doing. I'm not encouraging you to place longer term trades, because long term trades are extremely risky, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Only if you're an experienced trader, you can place longer term trades. But you know what you must do in order to place longer term trades. You look at your pattern, you know, look at your pattern, make sure that you do take a look at your fundamentals, guys, okay? So I was, you know, there was a lot of news regarding Nasdaq 100 every day. There are a lot of news coming out, you know, markets are volatile and markets are experiencing different levels of volatility every single day. So, but I was top of the game, so I knew that the price will go, you know, up for at least a couple of days. But today I was looking at it closely, you know. And yeah, and as you can see, a couple of days ago, I was kind of stressed with this with this trade on this account, you know, because it did went down, okay. It did went down a little bit, But I was telling myself, okay, come on, you know what was the price at which you took it, okay? You know what are your support levels. So let me just open it on 1 hour chart, okay? I knew that my support levels are around this area. We have two really strong supports here and here, So I knew that the price went down, and I was very stressed because whenever you place the trade on your forex broker or your CFD broker, whenever you place trade, you will see that when it's red and the trade does not go to your favor, you are constantly losing money. But this was not the case on my trade. What happened was the emotional breakdown, because I saw huge profits at this level at 6,800s, and then the price just fell down, and I was like, okay, I should have exited my price at this level, because I saw losing, I was still in profits, big profits of what was it? What was it? 4.5 or over 5,000 euro, but I saw constant, drop in profits, but due to the fact that I solidly, identified my support lines, which was in this area, I knew that whenever the price is going to hit my support, it most likely gonna go up, especially when there are those positive news releases being released. That's why, guys, remember, education and practice is the key for long-term success. Technical analysis combined with fundamental analysis, the news, okay? That's huge power. And then when you put in together these two exponential moving average lines, and the Bollinger Bands, this is gonna give you huge package, and you will be able to identify those reversals. You will be able to identify breakouts. You will be able to identify fake breakouts. So this would be So one of these was a fake. This is 1 hour chart. So one of these was a fake breakouts. That was indicating that the price will go down, but it didn't. It still went up. And that's it, guys. And in this video, I'm happy to end my emotional stress. I closed my trade, and I'm happy, for this trade. So trade went down, as you can see. So I closed it at 700,362. Here we go, guys. Stress is over. This is a great trade. 8,377 euro profit, guys. So guys, and the price goes down, so that's it, it's gonna go down up to, it could go down up to this level. But, then I need to look into more detail, when will the reversal happen again. But guys, you're always welcome to join my Income Mentor Box Training Academy. When you join my academy, you will be able to copy my and my colleagues' trades every day, so you can just simply copy your trades and enjoy profits that way, along with the educational tutorial videos with myself. There are over 51 tutorial videos where I show you my best trading strategies and tactics that I use for past 5 years. And then you can enjoy profits like this. But guys, okay, as usual, guys, do not invest more than you wish to lose, because every trade is a risk. But make sure you understand take profit and stop loss levels. Please watch my previous video. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, any issues, please email me at incomementorbox@gmail.com. And see you guys again next time. Bye.